Alright, what's up guys? This is Juan here, and I know it's been a while since I last posted, sorry about that. I had just other stuff to focus on. But hey, I'm back now. You know what, let me turn down my volume just a bit, so you can hear me better. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright. I have enabled passwords as a general view. What? Okay. Yeah, I'll just make a new character. Alright, well I guess while we're doing this, while we're doing the character customization, I guess we'll play the intro. Alright, we'll do this. New world. Let's do large master mode, and I heard Crimson's actually better. I mean, Corruption's fine, but I think I'd actually go for Crimson here. So yeah, I think I'll go for this. So what should I call it? Scarlet Calamity, I think that's good. And yes, this is the Calamity mod, and we're doing it on Master Mode. Let's just talk about Terraria for now. Okay. It's been a while, I can't remember much of the controls actually. It's been a while since I last played Terraria. Starter bag. Awakening. Tones of the Dragon, sir. My eyes lift to see ancient dust dancing from high ledges. Well, let me just kill this thing. Ravengeance mode is not active. Okay, let me just finish this real quick. Tones of the Dragon stir. My eyes lift to see ancient dust dancing from high ledges. These grand wings, how long has it been since I was a hero worthy of their name? Feels like centuries have passed, yet all I've done is blink. Look upon my works as they are, ruined. None would dare seek me out. Tread my path, not I'll waste them in this cruel world. Damn, that's like Skyrim level poetry. I think I'll use this copper broadsword. I'll just place that. Oh. Ow. I didn't know that's what that did. Whoa, this swing animation's actually fire, dude. What does that even do, anyway? What is this supposed to do? And I'm fucking dead already. I don't think I'm gonna be able to handle Ravengeance mode. But you know what? The entire point of this is so I can challenge myself so I can get better. Not really so I can die trying, really. Now, hold on a second, let me just look something up real quick. Seems like Ranger is the hardest class to beat the game as. I will gladly try it, seeing as that most of the time when I do a playthrough on Terraria, it's doing Ranger anyway. Because, you know, I'm American, I love guns. Oh, that's useful. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, I think I'll move it all here. Oh. I got wood. Wait, did I not even get wood earlier? Oh my god, I'm actually brain dead. Bro, I didn't even mine any wood. And I'm back, I guess. Wait, I got a pebble? What does this do? Smooth stone with medium hardness and easy to grind. Okay, I think that's a hint as to what I can do with it. Now I know that there's a block called the grindstone in Terraria. So now, I feel like that's a hint on what I can do with that pebble. Man, this is a pretty epic soundtrack, if I had to say so myself. Alright, now plenty of stuff here. Oh, what's that? What is this? Oh, that's a lot of damage. What does that do? What does it do? There's two of them? Okay, there we go. Metal scrap. What do I do with wolfram metal scraps? Can I make armor with that? Weapons? Make sure you down with a few stones. Oh man. Now what the heck do I do with wolfram? Also, what the heck? What in the Plants vs. Zombies is the soundtrack? Chair and a crafting table, okay. There we go, that's nice and cozy. Yeah, I think so. Ow! Get over here! Okay, we also got the shackle, that's nice. No hobo. I am loot. I'll take a band of regeneration, please. Oh, okay. They have an anvil in here, I'm gonna take that. So how the heck do you get off of a minecart? Alright, we got a house over here. Time for robbery. Okay. Exactly what I need. The light crystal. I already have so much stuff. Let's go! I found another one. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that. This took me quite a while to edit all this. In fact, this was a full-ass hour of footage. So, yeah, before I go, I just like to remind you guys to like and subscribe. Normally, I wouldn't like to tell you guys that, but, I mean, hey, it helps. So, well, bye, and have a great day.